Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Good day everyone, my name is Nozipho Sithetho and I am the founder and CEO of NTNS Trading, and I manufacture nice chili relish. I started my business in 2022 and I am currently working in Sebokeng. I started my business because I saw a niche around my area where we are more aligned into the saucy part of the condiments. So I decided to start making chili relish that is very versatile. You can cook with it, you can add it as at the end to give you the burst of flavor without overpowering the flavors incorporated in your cooking. I am selling a chili relish that comes in a mild and a hot. The reason why you should rather buy my product is that one, it is organically produced, because I currently plant my chili at a local school, the likes of cayenne pepper, jalapeno peppers, sweet peppers, as well as herbs, and then I further manufacture without using any preservatives, packaged it so it is naturally organically manufactured. Our products are available nationwide. You can order through social media, and around the Val we do have a stand at the BP filling station in Zone 10. You can find us on all social media platforms, the likes of Instagram, where is nice_chili. We are on Facebook as Nice Chili. We are on TikTok as Nice Chili. Or you can give us a call or a WhatsApp on 061-377-2318. Hi, my name is Nozipho Sithetho and I am the Township Entrepreneur.